Yeah, good afternoon. It may interest you to know that we are live and direct with Mr. Prince, Sampe Master. After all the clips you saw, I want to bless the name of Chukwukabiama for restoring his life, and let's hear what he has to say, because it was a critical situation that he went through. But here we are, in order to thank God, at least for today, we know that he's alive. Sampe, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
A lot of your fans are on tears, crying, and also at the same time praying to heavens to make sure that they uphold your life. And today, you are alive. We want to celebrate the gift of life with you. At the same time, we want to know how you feel within this period of 1 week that it has been so hectic for you.
My brother, I thank Almighty God. I really thank God for giving us life. My first appreciation goes to Almighty God who made it possible for me to be alive today. Because for me to sit here and be talking to you, it's not by my power, neither by my might, but it is by the grace of the Almighty God. So, my brother, my names are Prince Williams Chukwukabiama, known as Don Prince, aka Sampe Master. Well, what you heard about me is true. That I was vomiting blood is true. This illness started since almost getting to a year and now, but this present one now that happens on 16th of this month. So I was having heart attack. So that evening I had heart attack, and all of a sudden I'm having headache, and my stomach started paining me. So within some minutes, in fact, I had stomach ulcer problem in my stomach that caused the vomiting. So when I started vomiting, I was shouting, called my wife to help me. She came, brought a bowl which I was vomiting inside, and it was blood. That was not my first time of vomiting blood. I vomit blood almost on December period. But I give thanks to Almighty God that I'm alive. So after vomiting the blood, I was very weak. So my wife called a doctor. The doctor said that we should come to hospital immediately. So before we could go to hospital, I'm very weak. I'm very down. So with the help of my wife and the help of some friends around, they took me to hospital by after 10 to 11 p.m. So that is where I am, and by special grace of God, I'm getting better. So right now, I don't have much to say but to thank Almighty God who made it possible for me to be alive today. And I want to use this opportunity to thank the leadership of IPOB worldwide who made it possible, because God used IPOB worldwide with their players financially and their support. I'm getting better. A special grace of God.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
The reason why we came is that we do not want to get any speculation from our enemies, those who will wish us dead at every given time. but we want to tell them that you are healthy, you are alive, and you need to live to see Biafra restored. Today we want to tell you that all over the world, our brothers and sisters are on their knees praying that you will recover very fast. And I want to thank you. I want to bless you for having a wonderful family like this indigenous family all over the world. Thank you very much. One more thing. What do you have to say regards to the expectation of our tomorrow nation?
Yeah, my brother, everyone knows that Biafra has come. And I have already said that Biafra has come, meaning that Biafra not tago. So there is no two ways about it. And well, right now I can say that our love and our happiness of today, our jubilation, is that finally Biafra has come. The devil is fighting us. Devil is fighting us. Enemies, they are fighting us so that we will not get to our destination. They want us to die so that our freedom fighting stops. But nothing can stop me from fighting for my right. I'm a freedom fighter. The three things involved in this case is your life, your time, and your money, which I know that even if I die today, I will feel very, very happy that I died for Biafra. And Biafra and IPOB is the only people I have in this world. I don't have any other family except IPOB. They are my family. They are the people I trusted, and they are the one taking care of me, what to today. That I'm getting myself today is by the players and the support of IPOB worldwide. So my brother, we all knows that Biafra has come. Devil is fighting for us to restore our nation. But finally, Biafra is here. It is not by the power, it is by the grace that we are going to see Biafra. And it is not by the anger, it is by the peace that we are going to get our freedom. It is not by we to know our enemies, it is by we to know ourselves. And that is what our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu taught us, that we should know ourselves, not our enemy. Because when you know yourself, you will know the attitude you will play, the kind of the fight you are fighting. You will know the right thing to do to save your nation. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Thank you.